Hey everybody, how you doing? It is me, Timothy, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing here. Doing an unboxing video. Got 2 boxes to unbox, so hope you guys will enjoy this. Oh, okay. Looks like I got some Pringles. I got some Pringle snacks. The snack on. Got barbecue, regular, ranch, and cheese right here. All right, cool. Ain't that awesome? Got a lot of Pringles. All right, now got another box here to open. Hold on tight, let me read this. Okay. Enjoy these with your favorite drinks, Timothy, from Alexandra Peters. Thank you, Alexandra. I appreciate it. Now, whoa. Don't want that to happen. Got one more box, people. Open. Okay. And another box. Keep your gift a surprise. Hey Timothy, I thought I'd get you this so you can even try out more favorite drinks. Enjoy it. Okay, cool, thank you. It's a book. Oh, well, thank you, Alexandra. A book, classic cocktail. Well done, huh? Thank you, Alexandra. I really appreciate it. Yeah, that's something I really need. That way, I can make more drinks for my channel. Thank you, Alexandra. I really appreciate it. I do. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I could go through this and find out what kind of drinks to make for y'all. On my other ASMR channel I got. Could have said I don't draw very much people over there. You know, if you're 18 and older, man, jump over there and check me out over there, man. I upload every day over there. So jump over there if you're 18 and older. You might enjoy that channel. But again, Alexandra, thank you. Again, people, if any of you want to send me stuff like that, feel free to, man. You know, I got me a P.O.Box. I always drop my P.O. box down below in the description box. You know, if any of you want to send me something, feel free to, if you can. You know, if you can't, well, it's okay. you know, I don't get very much fan mail like other YouTubers do out there. A lot of them, man, they get galore stuff from their fans. And I know some of my fans, you know, they can't do it because they're in other countries and everything. But hey, give it a try, man. You know, you might be able to be out. I might be able to do something like this for y'all. You know, feel free to send me Christmas cards or something. I got me a P.O. box. It's always down in the description box below. If anybody knows how to speak Spanish or any German or anything, let people know about my P.O. box. You know, tell them to check out down in the description box. It's always down there. Count on it. It's always down there. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this unboxing here. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up. Can you do that for me? Please, go thumbs up. And if you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next video, they call me Unboxing with Timothy. And this unboxing is over. Have a good one. Take care.